Hello guys, so welcome to Kyo Tutorials. So let's continue with this next part of this tutorial. So in this tutorial we had started with the texturing part for this bedroom over here. So let's continue it over here. So now what we'll be doing over here is like, let's go over here and let's start texturing this books over here. So I'll go into this, I'll select this, I'll go into material and I'll take a V-Ray material over here. I'll go into the bitmap. I'll go into this bedroom textures and we have some book textures over here. We'll be assigning that. So let's give a UVW map, set it as a box over here and like this. So convert to editable poly and isolate. So let's select this, Alt Q, let's go into material. Again let's take another V-Ray material. So for book we are doing this, assign this. So UVW map, set it as a box, set this and isolate, select this, go into material, V-Ray material again, bitmap, assign it, so UVW map, box, that's it. So let's convert to poly over here. Let's delete this. Let's just shift and drag it over here like this. For this book also we'll be just duplicating that over here. So slightly we'll be tilting that UVW map. So select that part and slightly push it inside. Select this, go into material and let's assign this UVW map, set it as a box over here in this way. So what I'll be doing now over here is like, I'll just select this 4 books over here, I'll just copy it and I'll rotate it in this 90° over here. Also we'll take this copies over here, so let's just duplicate this books over here, save your file. So delete this, let's take this 3 books, copy this over here, push it up. So let's just slightly rotate it in this way. So let's select this, select this, duplicate it, rotate it in 90 degree, take this as a copy over here, slightly just push this up. So once you're done, select this table. Let's again go into this, and definitely we can assign the same texture for it. Oops, it's not the texture, this texture. So select this, let's give a UVW map, set it as a box, select this whole thing over here, go into material and take a V-Ray material. Let's just pick a color over here, take a darker color, so let's see how it looks like. Now let's go over here, let's select this lamp over here. For this, let's go into material, take a V-Ray material, let's give a metallic color over here by picking a color. Click OK. Let's go into this, give a reflective property, reduce this, so let's assign this over here, same for this, assign this, same for this. Let's see how it looks like. So let's just render it. Okay, it's very reflective, so we can slightly reduce this, so much better. Now let's see the render. Okay, much more of a satin look. Let's see. much better. So we can make it push towards more darker part. Okay. This also looks good. Now what we'll be doing over here is like we can give the same material to the bottle also if it is required. So let's take, I think we can change the texture for a pillow, so we can try to take some other texture over here. So we can take some other fabric texture. So it's not always necessary you go with the same texture. We can slightly take another texture also. So let's see which texture we can take. So let's take one texture from here. We'll save this. It's a big texture. So you can definitely download it from your textures.com also. So I'll just save as this. So I'll go into this. Save your file. Select this. Let's take a V-Ray material bitmap. Let's assign this. I think this looks much better. Much better. And we can also take one more copy of it and we will slightly resize this. Push it over here so we can rotate it. Okay. So we can also light this lamp. So let's go into this, convert to poly, select this part, go into material and let's take a V-Ray material over here. So what we can do over here is like I can take a V-Ray light material and I can make it more towards yellow over here, and I can use this light material. Select this over here. Let's just take this material over here. So that can be easily achieved. We can select this and we can take a brown color for all of his branches over here. So take a V-Ray material and let's take a brown color. Select this. So we need to ungroup this. So let's select this, go into material. Let's take again a V-Ray material, go into bitmap and leaves. So you can take a leaves texture over here. So let's take leaves texture over here. So I'll just search a leaves PNG for now. So I'll just save as this. So I'll go into this and assign this leaves on it. Definitely if you can remove the background stuff, that would be much better. So I can slightly okay. So we are just setting up a basic way. So I'll just delete this, I'll delete this, I'll delete this, and I'll just duplicate it. I'll rotate it up, slightly rotate this in this direction over here, and I'll again mirror it in Z axis. I'll slightly just push this down. So let's just select this all four. I'll group it and okay, duplicate it. Alt A, align it, click OK. So I'll just delete it, scale it, and drag it in the right manner. So again make a duplicate of it, Alt A, just place it, rotate it, scale it, and delete this and slide it, push it down. So again make a duplicate, Alt A, oops, and isolate, Alt A, So scale it again, delete this and push it down. Shift copy, Alt A, duplicate it, scale it and slightly push this. Again shift and drag, Alt A, duplicate it. Alt A is for align, shift and drag is duplicate. So Alt A is for aligning up. So I'll scale it, I'll slightly rotate it. So make sure you're rotating it accordingly, your choice. So select this and take again a video material and let's give a light brownish color. So guys, save your file over here. So if you have any doubts, so let's just convert to poly. So please put it in the comment section if you have any doubts over here. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.